Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be doing a review on this lace frontal wig, and this style is different than the style I would normally go for. So today I just decided to put some curls in the hair, do a little baby hair here and there, and I'm out the door. So let's get into the review on this lace frontal wig. So I'm done with the styling. Didn't take a whole lot to get this look. Just threw in some curls and boom, here I am. So let's talk about it. So this is a 13x6 lace closure lace frontal wig from Eayon hair. This is their 22-inch loose body wave. Of course, you guys did see that I went in with a curling iron and curled the hair and just created some big loose waves. Honestly, this wasn't the look that I was going for. Really, I was just going for some curls, but I actually like how the hair turned into like these big waves, so I'm not even mad at that. So yeah, let's talk about it. So the density of the hair was pretty good. I do feel like it was a lot of density in the hairline where I did have to go in and pluck a little bit more than I would have liked. But this is not a pre-plucked wig, so I should have been expecting to do some sort of work to the hairline. I do feel like the density is pretty nice in this wig considering the style that I was going for with this look. Now, I do wish that the density was more so in the hair instead of the hairline. And what I mean by that is the hairline is super full, which causes you to do a lot more work to plucking, to getting the hairline to be thin and look natural. But overall, this is a really cute wig. I do like how the wig was able to get super duper flat, as you guys can see, even though the hairline was... So as you guys can see, the hair definitely does curl, and of course, you know, the hair is going to straighten as well. So in this video, I decided to just throw some curls in the hair, which actually turned into some waves, but I'm not mad because it still turned out to be a really cute hairstyle. Honestly, it reminds me, this look reminds me of like how we used to wear our hair when virgin hair first came out and we would use wand curls, like a wand curl. This hair definitely reminds me of like a wand curl look, even though I got it with a curling iron. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so meaning you're going to get 6 inches of parting space, and as you guys can see, I did take the part all the way back. Now, I did forget to comb some of the hair back because like I don't like my part to be that long, but my part should have stopped right there. But I don't want to disrupt the waves in the hair, so I'm just going to leave it just like this because the hair is really cute. Now, I do like the softness in this hair as well. Now, when I was bleaching the knots, I did notice that I had to leave the bleach on a little bit longer than the 15 to 20 minutes, which I would normally do. So considering the size of the knots and then also the knots being dark, it did take me longer than the normal 15 to 20 minutes to bleach the lace. It actually took me 20 to 30 minutes. Notice like when I was plucking the hair that some areas were blonde and was giving off a bald spot. When I actually started parting the hair and installed it, I didn't see those bald spots anymore, so I don't know what happened. But anyways, as you guys saw in the video, I used to kind of fix the areas that may have been over plucked or I over bleached an area. Went in with this root touch-up stick, and this is Gray Away. Comes in a box like this. And it's basically like a root touch-up. It looks like this. Basically where you would apply it to the roots of the hair, whichever area that you need to be darker. And in this case, I needed to clean up the parting space on the wig. And then it also comes with like a little sponge that you could use to blend in the color. I really like this idea. I have seen people use hairspray, like black hairspray. I've used mascara myself personally, and sometimes it can get really, really messy. And I actually prefer this method over any of the other methods I've tried in the past. So yes, girl, new method. Y'all, this is definitely giving me Kim K vibes, like 2008, 2009 Kim K, when she used to do like the one curl look. Y'all, this look is real cute. I will have all of the information. So all of the information on this wig from Eayon Hair will be below in the description bar. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.